You already know who it is, Gary V here. And let me tell you something, Zane Jutt is the real deal. This guy gets it. He understands the future is now, and the future is AI. You're in the right place if you want to crush it in business. We're about to break down how to use AI to automate your business, step by step. No BS, just pure value. We're talking about saving time, saving money, and making your business a well-oiled, efficient machine. Listen up, because this is the kind of information that can change your game. We're not just talking about theory here, this is about practical steps you can implement today to get ahead of the curve. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to take some serious notes. This is about to get good. First things first, you gotta know what you're working with. Take a step back and really look at your daily operations. Before you even think about AI, you need to understand your business inside and out. Where are the bottlenecks? Identify the pain points. What are the tasks sucking up all your time and energy? What keeps you up at night? Don't just tell me, Gary, I'm doing everything. Get granular. Break it down. Is it customer service? Is it the endless phone calls? Are you drowning in emails and DMs? Is your inbox a never-ending black hole? Is it managing your inventory? Are you constantly checking stock levels? Are you spending hours on spreadsheets instead of closing deals? Are you buried in data entry? This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Leverage technology to your advantage. Once you identify those time-sucking vampires, you can start figuring out which ones you can hand over to AI. Free up your time for strategic thinking, and trust me, there's a lot more than you think. AI can handle a wide range of tasks. Think about it like this. You wouldn't hire a chef to do your taxes, right? Each role has its own expertise. So why are you wasting your precious time on tasks that a robot can do better and faster? Let AI take over the mundane. AI is your new employee of the month, every month. It's consistent and reliable. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't complain, and it's ready to work 24/7. Imagine the possibilities. But you gotta give it the right tasks. Not everything can or should be automated. So get out your notepad and start listing. Be thorough and honest with yourself. What are the repetitive, mind-numbing tasks that are holding you back from real growth? Identify them clearly. Those are your prime candidates for automation. Start small and scale up. Don't overthink it, just start writing. The first step is always the hardest. This is about taking action, not procrastinating. Move forward with purpose. Remember, the longer you wait, the further behind you fall. Time is of the essence. Alright, so you've identified the weak links in your business. Now let's talk about what you want to achieve. What are your goals? Don't just say, I want to make more money. That's a given. Get specific. Do you want to increase customer satisfaction? Do you want to streamline your operations and cut down on overhead? Do you want to scale your business without losing your mind? Write down your top 3 goals. These are your North Stars, the guiding lights for your AI automation journey. But here's the kicker. You need to measure your progress. How else will you know if your AI implementation is actually working? That's where key performance indicators, or KPIs, come in. These are the metrics that matter, the numbers that tell the real story. If your goal is to improve customer satisfaction, your KPI might be your Net Promoter Score, NPS. If it's about efficiency, you might track the time it takes to complete a specific task. The point is, you need to be able to measure your success. Without KPIs, you're just flying blind. So get crystal clear on your goals and how you're going to track them. This is about making data-driven decisions, not relying on gut feelings. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. So, start measuring what matters, and watch your business soar. Now comes the fun part, picking out your AI tools. This is where the magic begins, and you get to be the architect of your own digital empire. This is like building your own tech stack. But instead of bricks and mortar, you're using algorithms and data. Think of it as constructing a digital fortress, one line of code at a time. And let me tell you, there's a whole buffet of AI solutions out there, each one tastier than the last. It's like being at an all-you-can-eat tech feast, with endless possibilities to explore. But just like you wouldn't eat sushi with a spoon, you need to choose the right AI tools for the job. The right tool can make all the difference in efficiency and effectiveness. First, think about your needs. What are the pain points in your business that you want to address? What are the specific tasks you want to automate? Is it repetitive data entry, customer interactions, or perhaps marketing analytics? Are you looking for help with customer service, marketing, sales, or maybe all 3? Once you know what you need, you can start exploring the options. Dive into the sea of AI tools and see what catches your eye. And trust me, there's an AI for everything these days. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights, The possibilities are endless. For customer service, you've got chatbots and virtual assistants like Zendesk and Intercom. These tools can revolutionize how you interact with your customers. These AI-powered heroes can handle basic inquiries, qualify leads, and even close deals, all while you're catching some Z's. Imagine waking up to find your business has been running smoothly overnight. In the marketing arena, there's HubSpot and Marketo, AI-powered platforms that can personalize your marketing campaigns, automate your social media, and even predict which leads are most likely to convert. They can turn your marketing efforts into a well-oiled machine. And for sales, Salesforce Einstein is your go-to wingman. It's like having a super intelligent assistant that never sleeps. This AI powerhouse can analyze your sales data, identify patterns, and provide insights that help you close more deals faster. It's like having a crystal ball for your sales strategy. But here's the thing. Don't get caught up in the hype. It's easy to be dazzled by the latest and greatest tech, but you need to stay grounded. The most expensive or advanced AI tool isn't always the best fit for your business. Consider your budget and the specific needs of your business. Start small, experiment, and see what works best for you. It's all about finding the right balance and making incremental improvements. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly evolving, so you can always upgrade or switch things up as your business grows. Stay flexible and keep an eye on emerging trends to stay ahead of the curve. Alright, you've got your goals, you've picked out your AI tools, now it's time to put them to the test. But hold your horses, Rambo, don't go all in just yet. Remember that shiny new car you bought? You wouldn't drive it off the lot without taking it for a spin first, would you? Same goes for your AI tools. Before you unleash them on your entire business, start with a pilot program. Pick a small, manageable area of your business and let your AI loose. This is your chance to kick the tires, see how everything works, and make sure it's the right fit for your business. Think of it like dating. You wouldn't propose on the first date, would you? You gotta get to know each other first, see if there's chemistry, figure out if you're compatible. The same goes for your AI. During the pilot phase, pay close attention to how your AI is performing. Is it meeting your expectations? Are there any glitches or bugs? This is also a good time to gather feedback from your team. Are they finding the AI helpful? Do they have any suggestions for improvement? Remember, this is a learning process. You're not going to get everything perfect on the first try, but that's okay. The important thing is to be open to feedback, make adjustments as needed, and keep iterating until you find what works best for you. Celebrate the small wins along the way. Use what you learn to set new goals and refine your strategy. This iterative process will help you build a solid foundation for integrating AI into your business. In the end, you'll be more confident and better prepared to scale up your AI initiatives. Listen up, because this is important. AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It's not going to replace your team, it's going to empower them. Think of AI as your new star player, but even Michael Jordan needed a coach and a team to win championships. Your team needs to be trained and ready to work alongside AI to leverage its power and get the most out of it. This means providing them with the right training and resources, teach them how to use the AI tools, how to interpret the data, and how to work in tandem with the AI to achieve your business goals. But it's not just about technical skills, it's also about mindset. Your team needs to understand that AI is not a threat, it's an opportunity. Encourage them to embrace AI, to experiment with it, and to find creative ways to use it to their advantage. Remember, the future belongs to those who can adapt and evolve. So empower your team to become AI savvy and watch your business thrive in the age of automation. This is about creating a culture of continuous learning where your team is constantly upskilling and staying ahead of the curve. The more comfortable your team is with AI, the more effectively they'll be able to use it to drive results. And that's a win-win for everyone. Congratulations, you've made it. You've identified your bottlenecks, set your goals, chosen your AI tools, run your pilot program, and trained your team. You're officially an AI-powered business. But here's the catch, it doesn't end there. In the world of AI, the work is never done. You see, AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. It's an ongoing process of monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing. Think of it like tending a garden. You can't just plant the seeds and walk away. You need to water them, fertilize them, and pull the weeds. The same goes for your AI. You need to constantly monitor its performance, analyze the data, and make adjustments as needed. Are your AI tools still meeting your goals? Are there any areas where you can improve efficiency or accuracy? Remember those KPIs we talked about? This is where they come in handy. Use your KPIs to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions about how to optimize your AI. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly learning and evolving. The more data you feed it, the smarter it gets. So keep experimenting, keep iterating, and never stop looking for ways to improve, because in the world of AI, the only constant is change. And the businesses that embrace change, that are willing to adapt and evolve, are the ones that will thrive in the long run. There you have it, folks. A crash course in automating your business with AI, straight from yours truly, and the brilliant mind of Zane Jutt. Remember, this isn't about replacing humans, it's about giving them superpowers.